Hey Daniel, what you doing?
Oh, hello. Just looking at some ferns.
Ferns? What kind of ferns?
Boston.
Boston ferns. Well, there's a bunch of them over here. Cool. So what's going on with the ferns?
See this?
Yeah.
Those brown dots everywhere?
Brown dots.
Those are
Okay.
sorry.
Sorry. Here's some even more brownies. Like this was. These are more brown and has more of them. Okay. So these are what? Sorry?
Yes, sorry.
Okay. Here's some more. These look even drier. So these are probably what? More mature than the. Okay. So what's up with the sorry?
The sorry has the spore.
The sorry has a spore. Okay.
And the spore has gametophytes.
Spore has gametophytes. Okay. And then what happens?
Well, the gametophytes has the mommy and daddy parts of a plant.
Okay, so the mommy and daddy parts, like the male and female parts of the plant, are inside the gametophyte?
Yep.
Okay, and so that means there doesn't have to be a mommy fern and a daddy fern in. It's all in the one plant?
Yep.
Okay, and then what?
Once they reproduce, they'll make spores or sorry. And like, you see how I'm doing here? I'm basically dispersing them.
So you're helping to disperse the
Spores.
The spores, yes. Okay. And is that how we end up with these new little ferns over here?
Yeah.
Okay, and here's like a new one here too. It's just like a little one. Can't we see it? Here's a little one. It's all curled up.
Okay.
That's
all right.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like within this plant we've got different leaves at different levels of
I
maturity. And over
Yeah,
here
that
we've
right.
got some additional little ferns right here. Okay, so that's how we get a lot of ferns being all over the place, Daniel. So tell me again, it's just so inside the fern, you're saying, is the male and female reproductive parts.
Yeah.
And so
They disperse them, basically like what I'm doing, like that.
okay, so they get
It's
dispersed.
starting to rain actually, so they might disperse by that, or if we're having strong winds, they'll disperse like that too.
Okay. All right. So when they get dispersed, then the reproduction takes place.
No, the reproduction takes place here,
Okay.
but when they disperse, that's when they reproduce. Not reproduce. Yeah, that's where they grow.
Okay. So the majority of the spores take place here,
Yep.
and then they disperse, and then they reproduce.
Let's think of an acorn. See this acorn?
Mhm.
This acorn then came from that tree. Since it came from this tree, it dispersed. And now, as you can see in this pot, there's like a little tree growing. Something like that.
Okay. So when they disperse, they can form new ones. All right. Sounds good.